Hey y'all, I look like a train wreck. I haven't washed my hair in a while. Just ignore all that. I'll do that at some point. But I wanted to do more of an in-depth review of Live Tinted's Huesticks. Live Tinted is a new brand started by Deepika Mutiala, and it's like very different. I mean, from what I've seen so far, it seems like a very different brand. Like, it's all about inclusivity. That's how you say it, right? Yeah. And like, she's just amazing. I think it's really cool, and especially she's a brown girl like me, so hashtag relatable. Anyway, she came out with the Huestick and I went and bought it. And this Huestick is, the main purpose is for it to be a color corrector, and that's the main reason why I wanted to post this, because like I don't think anyone uses color correctors. I mean, I think people do, it's getting more popular, but like I think most everyday makeup wearing people who just like don't really, they wear makeup but they don't like really care about makeup, if that makes any sense. Like, you're just wearing it because you gotta look good, you know what I mean? I don't think most people use color correctors, so I'm kind of like one of those people. She made this Huestick and I've been using it for a couple weeks now. I think the brand came out like, what, a month ago? And so I guess I've been using it for about a month, because I ordered it, I don't know when I ordered it. I'm trying to make this like a legit review. Like, I want people to look at this and be like, oh, I've learned something, and this can steer me in the direction of whether I want to buy it or not. I ordered it May 6th, and when I ordered Rise, but then after a little while I was like, I don't want to use Rise. I want to use Origin, because I feel like red is more my color. Because it's a multi-stick, you can use it for your color correcting, your lips, your cheeks, like an eye primer. Like, it had multiple uses, which I really appreciate, because I'm one of those people, like, when I buy something, I want it to be very versatile, so I like this concept. I emailed customer service and I was like, hey, can I get Origin instead? And they fixed it and like changed my order without a hitch. I mean, I had to remind them a couple of times, because then it said I was getting Rise still, so I emailed and I was like, hey, am I still getting Rise or am I getting Origin? And they're like, no, you're getting Origin. And sure enough, I got Origin. It came in like normal packaging. I think they're trying out some like eco-friendly packaging, but I think like, it was either you get, some people would get that packaging, some people didn't. I didn't get that packaging, but it's like, whatever, I don't care. I care more about the product. But it came with this little guide, and it's really cute. Like, it just has a lot of information. I don't know, it's very aesthetically pleasing. I love graphics and like the minimalistic look. It's just, and like people of all colors, just, I love it. The Huestick came in this packaging too. Isn't it cute? Oh my god, I feel so beauty guru. And you open it, and please tell me this is not like the prettiest packaging ever. Like, y'all, it's so pretty. And then you open it, and I've kind of used mine a little bit, but this is, no one's really been showing how much product you get, but you get, I don't want to break it, but you get that much product, which is like an inch. I personally think it's a little less, considering you pay $24 for this, but I've been using it for a couple of weeks and I haven't had to sharpen it, or I don't think you need to sharpen this, but like, it hasn't like really flattened, as you can see, so I feel like this will last a while. But the fact that I've been using it for a month and it doesn't really look like I've used it says something. So I mean, I think this might last a while, for me at least. But what I was thinking about doing is, she said that when you use this, you don't need concealer, you just wear it over foundation. But like, I don't wear foundation a lot, so I don't know. I'm just gonna do it the way I do, but she said you could wear it with concealer, so like, I've been wearing it with concealer, not foundation. I just wasn't sure if I should do it with foundation first. That'd be a more in-depth review, right? Okay, I'll do it with foundation. One face with the corrector, one side without the corrector, and then I'll do, I'll remove it and then put one side with concealer, one side without the concealer. I mean, I'll do it with foundation and then I'll do it with concealer, but I'm gonna do like half and half, like one without the corrector, one with the corrector. That makes any sense? Kinda, yeah. I really don't know what I'm doing. I've not planned out this video, so I'm just gonna take it. She says to use it with your fingers, but I don't like using my fingers. So I'm just going to, I put moisturizer on my face, so that's all that's on my face. Everything else is all natural. It's ugly. I just go like this. It's very, like, it's pretty pigmented. So, like, I'm not going very, like, harshly against this. Against my under eyes, I mean. Oh, that is such a good look. And for now, that's all I'm gonna use. And I just use my finger to just, like, you know, seamlessly blend it in. Cute. Looks like my eyes are bleeding, but we're gonna fix that. Grab my Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in the shade Desert Beige. Yeah, so I guess if you're my skin color, this might work for you. I don't know. I don't even know if it matches my skin properly, but I wear it sometimes. See, I never wear foundation, so I never know how much to put. I have so many baby hairs. Ew, gross, disgusting, trash. This is my first time using the foundation, by the way, so this might be a trial and error thing. Like, I don't know if I'm the best person to do this. Okay, I should have put more under my eyes. I don't wear foundation, so I never know if I'm, like, applying enough, because I don't like the feeling of foundation on my face. I don't know. Oh, shoot. Cute. Oh, that product. Wasted. Oh, that's calling me my face. Ugh. So, I don't know if you can, let me move. Okay. There's like a little bit of redness, right? See, I'm not good with foundation. Well, I'm not good with makeup base products, honestly. Eyeshadow is my thing, not really the rest of my face. I just kind of finesse the rest, and half the time it looks like crap. But I'm looking at my mirror, and it definitely, I don't see blue on this side. But I feel like I can see some of the red color corrector peeking through, which I don't think is a good look. See, this is why I don't like foundation. Honestly, doesn't look bad. I mean, this is not my go-to thing. I'm not going to be doing foundation now, but like, it doesn't. Oh my gosh, you can totally see the darkness there. Wow. Please tell me, like, I'm not tripping, right? Like, y'all can see this too, right? Oh my gosh. Yeah, see, you can, I'll try to take a picture and post half and half so we can like actually focus on it, but like, wow. That darkness is gone right there. I'm looking at my mirror too. Wow. I love seeing, like, okay, obviously I was frustrated with the foundation, but that's just like me and foundation. That's not necessarily the corrector, but I look good. Just ignore my greasy hair. Okay, so yeah, that's with foundation, and so she was right. Just pointing it out there. I was struggling because of the foundation, not because of the color correctors. So if I struggled that much with the foundation and made this work, then that's a good sign. So if you wear foundation regularly, it works. Oh, the struggle bus made it work, so I recommend it. Now I'm going to remove this and just do my concealer and what I normally do, and we'll see how it looks. Okay, I'm back. I removed all my makeup and I reapplied my moisturizer, and now I'm going to do the application with the concealer rather than foundation. And I just want to say, I just took photos with the foundation and I'm not delusional. Like, there's not like a giant difference, and I feel like my eye bags are different under both eyes. So like, if you're looking for like a giant, well, it looked more noticeable on the camera, I don't know, but I'm just saying, like, this is not some, like, it's just gonna, I mean, it's gonna cancel out dark circles, but like, it's canceling out the blue tones. That's what a color corrector is for. So like, I have like purpley blue undertones under my eyes, so the red slash orange cancels out that blueness because they're opposites of each other on the color wheel, if that makes any sense. You know the color wheel, like opposites, kind of like blue is here, red is here, kind of, and they, you know what I'm saying. So that's why I got Origin. So if you're a fairer color than me, I feel like Rise would be better. I could be wrong. I'm not a beauty expert by any means, but I felt like this was better for my skin tone. And so now I'm going to do the same thing I did earlier, but this time I'm using concealer instead of foundation. And this is what I would normally do. Going to my trusty Tarte Shape Tape. I easily go overboard with Tarte Shape Tape. I'm just gonna be straight up honest. I talked about it in one of my beauty posts on my blog, and I love Tarte Shape Tape, but like I have to put very little for it to go a long way. So sometimes that I've noticed with applying this on top of this, sometimes since I put so minimal amount of Tarte Shape Tape, the red peeks through for a little bit, and then I have to go in and with another layer of tape. Shape Tape. Ugh, can't speak. So just throwing that out there because I'm trying to make this as clear like as possible. I'm not trying to scam anyone and be like, oh my god, this is the best thing ever. It's just like I have issues with putting on face makeup, and y'all are gonna see those issues. I already feel like I put too much. I'm gonna go back in. Okay, that's all I'm putting for now. See, I went in with, like I always said, I started with very minimal, and then I just a teeny tiny bit more. I'm not kidding. This stuff is so easy to put too much of. Yeah, I ignore beauty gurus when they put Tarte Shape Tape under their eyes because I don't know, like they just dunk half the thing and it's so pigmented. I'm just like, how do you do it? I might need to go a shade darker in the future because I don't know if it's too like, it's too much of a highlighted look for me. Okay. Now, I'm just gonna quickly set it with setting powder because I'm gonna wear this for the rest of the day. Okay, that's how it looks. Oh, there's a shadow. Let me move. Okay. Like I said earlier, like you can see how there's no bluish tint under the side of my eye. Do you guys see that? And here there. Okay, there's that so far. Oh, I look so good. Then I'm gonna take Tarte Shape Tape. Okay, what do you guys think? This is with the Huestick, this is without the Huestick. I can totally, I mean, I don't know if I'm just going crazy with the camera, but I feel like this one's less blue. Professional. Which is a good thing because that Huestick's supposed to cancel out the blue because the red is like the opposite of blue and this side looks a little bit more blue. It's not like a revolutionary difference. Concealer is supposed to mask those dark circles, so like the color corrector is just like canceling out the blueness. Like it's not like getting rid of, I mean it is getting rid of darkness, but it's, I don't know if I'm making sense. Like it's not, its sole purpose isn't to get rid of darkness. That's what the concealer and the foundation and all that stuff's for, if I'm making sense. But it literally does what it's supposed to do, and I like that. I personally, like now that I've started using it, I don't like seeing the blueness, so I've been using this underneath my concealer basically every time I wear makeup now. Like I think it's great. Since it's a multi-stick, let me try to use it for some of the other purposes that it has. I've worn it on my lips. I don't think I've worn it on my cheeks yet, so let me just, I'm just gonna, oh, my cheeks are here.
See, well, I don't think this lighting's picking up on the blush, but it's like very subtle. Like I'm pretty sure if I put more of the Huestick, I would enhance it more, but I don't want to put too much. For my lips, I personally don't think I look good in red lipstick, but this is something that you can like layer. So if you want it to look super red, you can make it super red, but if you want it more subtle, it can be more subtle. So see, it's not like super red because I put very lightly. Like I'm love that option that it can go on like lightly. So if I want to go more vibrant, I mean, I think I look ridiculous, but just for the sake of the video and telling you all this can do. Okay. I mean, I don't think it looks that bad. I kind of look like Miranda sings. What do y'all think? It's like on a smile. I don't know. I actually don't hate it. Maybe it's the camera lying. I don't know. But I might change my mind later. Overall, I think this is a good investment. It's $24. You're supporting a South Asian woman like me. We need to lift our minority women, y'all. This is awesome. The packaging is beautiful. It's something so easy to just like stick in your purse or whatever. It cancels out the redness. Like I said though, this is not something you absolutely need, but I like things that have multiple purposes. I like the fact that I can put this on my lips, I can put this on my cheeks, I can put this as an eye primer, I can put this under my eyes. One thing though, this is more on the hydrating side. It's like, because it has moisturizing purpose, it's supposed to be good for like skincare, like it has skincare ingredients in it, so like it's not supposed to like dry you out. So I personally think, you don't have to listen to me on this because I mean, I'm not a beauty expert by any means, but I would probably use this, since it's more on the hydrating side, with a drier concealer. So for me, Tarte Shape Tape is more on the drying side. I wouldn't recommend, I mean, you do you, because like I said, I'm not an expert, but I think it worked better under Tarte Shape Tape than like Makeup Revolution's concealer. Like, I don't feel like pulling it out, but they released a concealer and I felt like that one's slightly more hydrating. So this, like, you need like opposite. So this is more hydrating, so get a more matte slash drier concealer, so rather than a hydrating concealer, if that makes any sense. Am I making sense? I don't know, but y'all see what I'm saying? That's my only other recommendation. Otherwise, like, it's great. I think this will last a while. Do I wish there was a tiny bit more product? Yeah, but I also think like you don't need a lot of this. It's not like concealer. Like you're not like dunking this under your eyes. And yeah, that's basically it. I'm really not good at reviews, but I'm just trying to keep it real, and this is just how it is for me. I'm not a professional by any means, but yeah, if you guys want more, but I do like giving reviews because some people ask me for my opinions on things, and I just kind of put it on my Instagram at Sarthalebra. And so if you want to go follow me on there, I leave little mini reviews on my highlight tabs, and I have a blog, so I also put stuff there. So like I do reviews, are just like YouTube reviews I feel like I'm not good at, but I'm trying to do something with YouTube because I like YouTube. But yeah, I hope this was helpful. If you guys have any other questions, please don't hesitate to comment below, DM me on Instagram, tweet me, comment on my blog. I don't know any other social media things. Facebook, I'm not like super, I'm more active on my personal page, not my actual page. But yeah, also subscribe to my channel because like I said, I think before, I'm more motivated to post when people actually watch it. So if y'all are watching this, hey. Okay, I'm gonna quit recording and go about my day, and I will talk to y'all in my next video. Bye.